At some point in your life, you're going to need to try to make your own cough drops. And once you see how easy it is, you're going to wonder why you're buying it at the store. I'm using a pint-sized jar, and then I'm adding in linden, peppermint, and thyme, but you can use other herbs if you like them better. I'm adding a cup and a half or so of boiling water, and then I'm going to let this sit for an hour. You can also leave it overnight if you want a really strong infusion. Then make sure that you strain it thoroughly. For 1 cup of your infusion, you're going to need 1 cup of sugar and half a cup of honey. And you're going to have to stir it like heck until it gets to 250 degrees, at which point you'll pour it into your molds. This stuff cools incredibly fast. I sped this up, but I was working very quickly to get all of this filled before it became unworkable. And then within a few minutes, I had my herbal cough drops. They taste delicious and work amazing.